Hey guys! Today I'm here at Dermatology to get a full skincare treatment today. I'm super excited and I'll show you guys what the experience is like. So this is the lobby of the Dermatology. I love how the interior was so bright and clean. Alright, so this is the bed we're going to be laying in for the skincare treatment, and the little closet they gave me to put my things in. So I'm ready for the treatment. She's putting some Aroma oil on my face. It smells so good. So this part was so relaxing. I don't know what the scent is. I really want to find out because it smelled so good. So next was the cleansing part, and surprisingly having someone else cleanse your face for you felt really good. The warm towel felt so good on my skin, and even for this simple hot towel step, I love how they have these like unique finger tricks.
이제 스크러버 이용해서 겉에 있는 물건 자체적으로 도와드릴게요.
Using that scrubbing, I think I have that at home. I'm sure this one's better. So this is exfoliating spatula that vibrates, and when it's gliding on your face, it feels so good. I just don't know how to explain it. Now you see how it's gently exfoliating and producing this like white milky color, which is the dead skin cells and probably other impurities that was on my skin. My face feels super clean and smooth. So next I think she's gonna do the extraction part, which I am not looking forward to, but another needle. I'm sick of needles right now.
I feel like traumatized.
I know. Okay, so I can't see anything, but she's going to extract some things.
Oh, this is how they do it.
So now they're using the needles to just lightly open up the clogged pores, then she's extracting whatever is in there. Hope this is not grossing you guys out. If you guys are wondering about the pain, it's not painful at all, just like a light dab on your skin.
근데 이거는 it smells really nice too.
Really? This is a soothing and hydrating treatment for the skin. It actually feels nice and smells nice.
손등에 전류 배치 붙여드릴게요. 이건 뭐예요? 이게 전류 배치여서 이제 전류를 흐르게 하시면서 제품을 흡수시키는 거거든요.
Now with the microtherapy, there's no sensation at all, so there's no pain, nor vibration, or anything like that.
비타민 앰플 같이 흡수 도와드릴게요. 네.
Just putting some vitamin C, and it just feels like an ice stick on my face. Now the little thing that she's rolling on my face right now, it got cooler and cooler as the session went by and actually felt like ice on my skin.
이건 뭐에다 좋은 거예요? 이거는 이제 고객님이 오늘 압출하셔가지고
네.
이제 압출하신 다음에 진정 효과에도 좋으시고 수분에도 좋으세요. 네.
Not only did this smell nice, but I can feel my skin loving this mask. I guess I was in need of deep moisture. In the light therapy, they give you these goggles so it doesn't bother your eyes, and this treatment lasted for about 10 minutes and it's supposed to help with inflammation and anti-aging. So all you do is relax for 10 minutes. Alright, next up, she's putting these fiber sheets to get ready for the modeling mask.
비타민 모델링크 올려드릴게요. Wow, I look like a mummy, you guys. So this is supposed to help with the moisturization, and again, because I did extraction, they want me to kind of like soothe the skin.
And step 10, they took off the modeling mask and she's toning my skin and removing any leftovers of the mask. Already, just after about 40 minutes, you could see my skin is glowing. So almost the last step, they put on some face creams and I love how she does everything thorough. I really felt like she was just taking her time to make sure everything was perfect. So the last step was sun cream. I got the treatment during the day, so I was going to be out in the sun for a couple hours. And I love the products that they use. It smells very nice, and of course they have the best stuff at the dermatology. As you could see in the video, I really appreciated how she made sure every part of my skin was really well treated. Okay, so I'm done with the skincare treatment. Does my skin look like it's glowing? It looks super clean and I feel like really refreshed. Like my skin kind of slept for like 10 hours and I woke up, so super hydrating. I'm gonna see what it looks like with makeup. Probably the next day. I do want to let my skin rest. I can physically feel my skin feeling rejuvenated, and it was a stress reliever knowing that I am pampering myself. Hey guys, so it's been a couple days since I got the skincare treatment, and I did do a really good follow-up, meaning no drinking, no smoking. I'm not a smoker anyway, and I did try to rest my skin the next day, so I kind of let the skincare treatment go for a longer time frame. Especially it's gonna be fall and winter very soon, so I'm so glad that I got the treatment, and my skin just looks really glowing and just really hydrated. And I definitely have to say, after the treatment, the makeup on my skin went on really well because my skin was fully hydrated, extracted, and my skin just felt like I got a reboost. So when I put makeup on, it's just like kind of soaked up the makeup really well. So thank you so much to ID Dermatology. So once you guys arrive to Seoul, Korea, I really want you guys to check out ID Dermatology and try to get a skincare treatment, because it is really like a nice thing to do for yourself to really treat your skin. Of course, skincare treatments are recommended to do for a long term, meaning you go once every 2 weeks, once a month, whatever is right for you and your skin type. Celebrities actually sometimes go once every week, so you could actually do it that frequently if you really want to. And see you guys next time. Bye!